Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top 7 best Mido watches for men of 2021 based on specifications. Top 7. Mido Ocean Star Tribute Special Edition Watch. Mido pays tribute to the Ocean Star collection on its 75th anniversary. In subtle reference to the past, the Ocean Star Tribute reinterprets the aesthetic codes of the diving models from the 1960s. It offers a host of qualities. It is fitted with the caliber 80 automatic movement, is water resistant up to a pressure of 20 bars, 200 meters/656 feet, and features a unique strap offering maximum comfort. Item specifics. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 40.5 mm. Case thickness 13.43 mm. Calendar day date. Special features. Depth measurement, shock resistant, luminous. Item weight 5.54 ounces. Movement Swiss automatic. Top 6. Mido Gents Automatic Commander Watch. The Commander 1959 watch collection has been produced without interruption since that year. The integrated bracelet and the acrylic glass are typical of this model, as well as the monocoque case housing and automatic movement. Item specifics. Dial window material type sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 37 mm. Case thickness 10.5. Calendar day date. Item weight 14.08 ounces. Movement automatic. Water resistance 50 meters 165 feet. Top 5. Mido Multifort Patrimony Automatico Watch. Beneath the retro exterior of the Multifort Patrimony resides a latest generation automatic movement. The caliber 80, which provides this timepiece with up to 80 hours of power reserve. The pulsometer scale on the edge of the dial, the box sapphire crystal protecting it, and the shape of the hour and minute hands are all subtle nods to the past. Item specifics. Case diameter 40 mm. Case thickness 11.95 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band width 19 mm. Item weight 2.22 ounces. Water resistance 50 meters 165 feet. Top 4. Mido Commander Icone Automatic Anthracite Dial Men's Watch. The Commander Icone watch pays homage to one of Mido's most iconic models. Its neo-vintage design adopts most of the codes responsible for the Commander's success. Extremely pure lines, maximum space granted to the superb sunray satin finished dial, and the Milanese mesh bracelet. It is equipped with the caliber 80 chronometer silicon, a COSC certified chronometer automatic watch. Movement with a silicon balance spring. Item specifics. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Case diameter 42.00. Case thickness 11.00. Calendar day date. Item weight 3.95 ounces. Movement Japanese automatic. Water resistant. Depth 50 meters. Top 3. Mido Baroncelli 3 Automatic White Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a black leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. White dial with silver tone Dauphine style hands and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. ETA caliber 2892A2 automatic movement. Based upon ETA 2890, containing 21 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH, and has a power reserve of approximately 42 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Pull-push crown. Transparent case background. Case-shaped case size 39 mm. Case thickness, 6.95 mm. Bandwidth 20 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters 100 feet. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Dress watch style. Watch label, Swiss made. Top 2. Mido Ocean Star Analog Automatic Watch. Mido is bringing ceramic, one of the most outstanding materials in watchmaking, to the unidirectional rotating bezel of its Ocean Star 200C. The dial is decorated with a rippled texture and offers individually applied indexes coated with white superluminova. This timepiece is water resistant up to 20 bar, with the case shape providing extra protection for the screw-down crown. The screw-down case back is engraved with the Ocean Star logo. Furthermore, the housed automatic movement has an autonomy of up to 80 hours. Item specifics: display type analog, case diameter 42.5 mm, case thickness 11.75 mm, band material stainless steel, calendar day, date, item weight 6.6 ounces, movement mechanical hand wind, water resistant, depth 200 meters. Top 1. Mido Multifort Leather Chronograph Automatic Men's Watch. Black PVD stainless steel case, with a black leather strap, fixed black PVD bezel, black dial with orange hands and hour markers, minute markers, tachymeter around the outer rim, dial type analog, luminescent hands and markers, day of the week and date display at the 3 o'clock position. Chronograph 3 sub-dials displaying 60 seconds, 30 minute and 6 hour. ETA value caliber 7750 automatic movement, containing 25 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH, and has a power reserve of approximately 44 hours. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Pull push crown skeleton case back. Round case shape. Case size 44 mm. Case thickness 14.5 mm. Band width 23 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters, 100 feet. Functions: chronograph, tachymeter, date, day, hour, minute, second. Multifort series. Casual watch style. Watch label, Swiss made. Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.